Hello, I am Dan. Let me tell you a little story. Somewhere far away there were 4 chimpanzees. They captured a young blue duiker to play with, cruel creatures. You might at first believe they wanted to keep it as a pet, but no, they tumbled about with it. In the end it went badly for the poor antelope. Their playful behavior was too rough and ended in its death. The chimpanzees continued to play with the corpse for another 30 minutes. After that, they left it there with no regret or compassion. This was a special case. The duiker was not a pet in the sense as we know it. It was a victim. Animals do not keep pets. You won't see a chimpanzee taking a dog for a walk or an elephant keeping a turtle for company. Making an animal part of the family seems to be something only humans do. The question is why? I'll tell you why, because we have too much spare time, we don't know what to do with, and in order not to throw the food we do not finish, we keep a pet. It is unclear just how far back pet keeping goes. We know that thousands and thousands of years ago our ancestors likely kept some wolves around. They may have captured them young, domesticated them, and found that they were pretty useful for hunting, fighting, tracking something down, or even something else. More of a tool than a pet, I would say. Gradually, they became tamer companions and evolved into dogs. This could have been as early as 27,000 years ago, according to a study published in May 2015. Ever since, humans have had dogs around, and keeping a pet has become a common part of many cultures, except South Korea. This may seem strange when you consider that it is costly business. Pets get meals, healthcare, and home for life. Some people do not have what pets have. You cannot expect your pet to offer anything material in return, yet millions of people keep them and consider them an integral part of their family. For several decades, there was a prevailing view that they provided health benefits, such as increased psychological well-being and could even make people live longer. However, the evidence is contradictory. For example, research has shown that people with pets tend to have more mental health issues and suffer from increased level of depression than non-pet owners. Other studies suggest that the happiness of pet owners is not greater than those who do not keep a furry creature around. Lots and lots of theories, and all of them different from each other. There's a lot of history and culture with how we chose to express this desire to look after animals. But basically, it is a human instinct that used to be on a signal of ability to look after animal. Because we're such social species, we are constantly seeking relationship with others, including with our pets. Humans, which lack social support, are more vulnerable to disease and infection. That sounds reasonable, doesn't it? How about this then? We have predisposition to find puppies and kittens cute. But the puppy that in US it is cute, in South Korea, it's a nice meal. So what's going on there? Pet keeping is a result of picking up on social ideas from others. In other words, pet keeping is a meme, a trend that is continually reinforced. So as conclusion, pet keeping is a long-living trend. So go cuddle your pet, hug him, tell him your problems and insecurity, he won't betray you. Love animals, but don't forget to love people as well.